Good morning, good morning. Hope you all had a great Easter. If you are new to my channel, I'm Simone and I do share my trades here on YouTube and on my Instagram, SimoneGFX. So hope you all enjoyed your Easter and are fresh and ready for the week ahead. This is NFP week and trading cautiously. All right, so I'm in these two trades this morning on the Australian dollar 15-minute and the USDCAD over here. All right, you can see the CAD broke through my friction zone over here, had me in a bit of a drawdown. Oh, my stop, I shifted it a little bit to 88. This is my stop right there. So I'm in a bit of drawdown right now, but I'm just going ahead and trusting my setups right now and hoping that we will end up in the green or the blue in a little while. So let's allow the trades to run, guys. Let's allow them to run. So this is my CAD trade over here, and this is my Australian dollar trade over here. Just looking for a little bit over 1-to-1 on the Australian dollar, because we are selling down into this area of friction, which lots can happen in. I did not pull my fibs over there, so let me just look at it. I always try to use the fibs for confluence. It helps me to get a better idea of areas of target, you know. So right, we could actually push a little bit lower on this this Australian dollar. Once we get past this zone right here, we need some momentum coming down. But I'm watching. I'm standing standing still, allowing the trades to run. So I'm taking profit here in this area over there on the Australian dollar. I do expect the Canadian dollar to push up quite a bit. I'll see what happens when we get up into this area, but I do believe we're targeting this area of friction. So I'm going for a 1 to 1.9, almost 1 to 2. I don't like to try to squeeze everything out of the market, so I am not ignoring these areas, right? So as you can see, we were in some drawdown, still in a little bit of drawdown, not much now. And let's see what they do. All right, we're getting a bit of a push up on the CAD, and Australian dollar continues down. We need to push through this area here. What's great is that we've closed below one of the MAs right now. Let me see something over here. Let's see where the 200 is. And we're below that 200 MA, so holding on that, holding on these positions right now. So let's see how they roll. Let's see how they roll this Tuesday morning, April 2nd, 2024. Let's see. What these pairs want to do. I never really like to mess with my trades when I know I've followed my rules. So I'm sitting tight. I may take an L or two, but I'm following the rules this morning. I'm leaving the trades. So stop in place, keep in place, letting the trades run this morning. So again, we're still holding. And for me, you know, there's a reason we put stops and take profits in place. That's what I'm willing to lose on these trades. This is what I'm willing to lose. I believe once it gets past here, we're going down. I believe once we're pushing above these areas, we're going up. And so that's how I set my stop losses. And I don't think I should mess with the trade. You know, sometimes, you know, you can look back at the trade and say, you know, maybe I made a mistake right there, and cut your losses that way. But when I followed my rules and I believe that the market is going in this direction or that direction, I make the commitment and I leave the trade to run. So that's my approach. You know, you just got to manage your risk, accept the risk, manage the risk, accept the risk. That's it. To me, that's the core of trading. Having that ability to accept and manage your risks, right? And we will lose sometimes. I did say, you know, I was on this win streak, and I mean, maybe this morning is the end of that win streak. I don't know, but these are the trades I'm in this morning. Let's see how they go. Wow, that's the power of patience, man. This is why we wait. All right, this is why we wait. This is why we set stop losses and walk away. Of course, managing your trade, but you know, this is why we wait, guys. Look at that, man. Look at this. This is like a just 0.5 pips to my stop, and this came like just 1 point, was it 2 pips? Maybe 2 pips, 1.5 pips to my stop loss. Look at that. And here we are. So you gotta have a system that you trust, you know, and trade it. Have a good system, trust the system, trade the system. Manage your risk, accept the risk. And that is the core of trading. So loving these trades, letting them run. Letting them run. How beautiful is that? Let me find my 1-to-1 in this trade right here. Oh, wow, these trades are looking great. From ugly to beautiful, man. Look at that. Let me see. All right, so we just tapped into our 1-to-1 on the, yeah, we definitely tapped our 1. So both trades are complete winners now. Just a matter of TPs. Moving my stops to protect my trades right now. All stops at break even right now. Risk-free trading. Risk-free trading, guys. Risk-free. I do wanna book my profit on these trades right now. They're looking great. All right, out of those trades, guys, Hope you learned something from these my trades this morning. I'm out. 2 beautiful trades, long on the USDCAD and short on the Australian dollar. See what I mean? Take that profit and run, man. And that's it for me this morning. Once again, I just look for an area of friction. You can see all those wicks up in there. Once price pushes through, I'm in. I'm taking stops below the last low or above the previous low, previous highs. Same here. You know, we push through this area, these 2 areas of friction. I missed this one. So I was trading off this lower area of friction. Made my stop a little bit higher just because I figured it would tap into the higher area of friction. Went short in this area, and that's it. It's a winner. So hope you had a great start to your week. I am off for the morning, and until next time, again, peace out.